What's going on, guys? Karen, FunTampa.com. You're coming back from the beach. You're coming for brunch. You're a sports fan. You want good drinks. You want good food. You want a bar restaurant that's all about women empowerment. This is the place right here. Riveters, Dale Mabry. Check it out. Tampa's newest spot to come get some good food, good drinks, good atmosphere. Guys, thank you so much for taking a tour. It's starting to get busy. I'm gonna go inside, hang out for a while. This place is amazing. Great sports bar, great food, great atmosphere, brunch, hangout spot, inside, outside. It's amazing. Lots to do. Check us out. Follow us, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, FunTampa.com. See you at the next video.